In this video, we will learn how to log into Track and reach the landing page. To reach the login page in Firefox, you will need to navigate to the correct URL. The secured URL consists of the IP address of the Track system followed by the URL to access the login page. In this example, we use https://172.168.15.63/config-management/login.jsp. If this is the first time you are accessing the Track system remotely, you may be stopped by a warning page. To bypass this in Firefox, click the Advanced button, and then the Accept the Risk and Continue button. For Chrome, click the Advanced button, and then the Proceed link. Upon landing on the login page, enter Delphi display for the username and Insight, or !NS! GHT for the password. Press the Login button. You are now logged in, and have arrived on the landing page. In this video, we will learn about the landing page and how to navigate it. The landing page can be thought of as a central directory for all of Track's features. Starting with quick reports on the top, these can be configured to be able to access reports instantly with preset options. The Reports button in the second row allows access to all of Insight reports, including auto reports, which allows users to set up reports that can be emailed every day. The Dashboard display button allows Track users to choose the best dashboard suited for their drive-through. The Configuration button allows users to configure Track settings such as hours, dayparts, and stations. At the top right is an admin configuration link which contains more settings and system information. The landing page can be returned to by clicking the Insight Home tab that is present everywhere. Targets are used to set grades for each individual station in a drive-through, including greet times. Targets can be set for grades A through F for each individual day, and each individual daypart if desired. To navigate to the Targets settings, click the Configuration button on the landing page. The Targets tab should already be pre-selected. Here, you can select an event, the day, and corresponding daypart. Once selected, you can input the desired times for each grade. For convenience, the Copy to All buttons can be used to copy all current settings on the page to which button is pushed. After completing configuration, hit the Save button to finish. Hours are used to configure the opening and closing times of the store. To navigate to the Hours settings, click the Configuration button on the landing page. Then click the Hours tab. Hours can be set by entering the opening times and closing times for each respective day. Times must be set using a 24-hour clock or military time. In the Fiscal Calendar section, the first day of week, the first month of year, and the business day begin are used for certain reports. After store hours have been set, hit the Save button to finish. Shifts are typically used to dictate breakfast, lunch, and dinner hours. To navigate to the Shifts settings, click the Configuration button on the landing page. Then click the Shifts tab. After selecting a day from the drop-down menu, users can enter start and end times for up to 4 different shifts. For convenience, the Copy to All Days button will copy all current settings on the page to the whole week. After shifts have been set, hit the Save button to finish. Dayparts are typically used to contain different busyness levels of the day. These are important for the dashboard, reports, and how relative data is grouped together. To navigate to the Dayparts settings, click the Configuration button on the landing page. Then click the Dayparts tab. After selecting a day from the drop-down menu, users can enter start and end times for up to 8 different dayparts. For convenience, the Copy to All Days button will copy all current settings on the page to the whole week. After dayparts have been set, hit the Save button to finish. Events are used to map real-time events in the drive-thru at the detector loops. To navigate to the Events settings, click the Configuration button on the landing page. Then click the Events tab. Station names are used to give each event a unique name that is meaningful to your team. Event types are used to map each configured event to a specific type such as menu, greet, cashier, or pickup. Lane is used to set which lane the station sensor belongs to. Delays are used to determine if a meaningful car is detected at a sensor. A longer delay may be necessary to avoid counting vehicles that are just driving through the lane without stopping. Multi-stations are used to group events that restaurant operators want to monitor the total time for. After events have been set, hit the Save button to finish. Multi-stations are a group of events that the restaurant operator wants to monitor the total time for, such as queue times or total lane times. To navigate to the multi-station settings, click the Configuration button on the landing page. Then click the Multi-Station tab. Multi-stations are configured in the Events tab and can be selected in this drop-down menu. Max cars are the number of vehicles physically allowed in the lane at any one time. Multi-station begin and end times may be chosen as an arrival or departure at any given station. After multi-stations have been set, hit the Save button to finish. Advanced settings are drive-through specific settings. These settings specify the amount of time to wait before determining that a vehicle has left the lane in the middle of the drive-through process. To navigate to the advanced settings, click the Configuration button on the landing page. Then click the Advanced Settings tab. Drive-off max is the maximum number of seconds to wait for the vehicle to show up at the next loop. Drive-off min is the number of seconds the next vehicle has to advance to the next loop. Display period is the desired time frame shown on the in-store display including dayparts or shifts. Additionally, in the Advanced Settings page is the Clear Lane functionality. If at any given time a clear lane is desired on the display, these buttons may be pressed to achieve that. After advanced settings have been set, hit the Save button to finish. General application management settings allow restaurant operators to customize their dashboard even more. To navigate to the General Application Management page, click the Admin link on the landing page. The General Application Management tab should already be pre-selected. Here, users can set their colors of each respective grade. In addition, the total number of bars shown on the performance graph is edited here. Finally, times on the dashboard can be formatted as seconds or minutes in the dashboard time display format. Here is an example of what the current settings would look like. After General Application Management settings have been set, hit the Save button to finish. User management settings allow restaurant operators the ability to create additional users and set roles or permissions. To navigate to the user management page, click the admin link on the landing page. Then, click on the User Management tab. To create a user, a first name, last name, username, email address, and password must be entered. Users can either have system admin roles or general users. General users only have permissions to create and pull reports. System admin roles have access to all configuration settings and features. After a user's information has been set, press the Save button to continue. The System Configuration page allows restaurant operators the ability to set different settings of the system. To navigate to the System Configuration page, click the Admin link on the landing page. Then, click on the System Configuration tab. Here, you have the ability to set the system's date and time, network settings, and all timer-related information. After system configuration settings have been set, click the Save button to finish. The System Information page allows restaurant operators and Delphi team members to view important system information in one central location. To navigate to the System Information page, click the Admin link on the landing page. Then, click on the System Information tab. Information is grouped by customer information and system information. Additionally, on this page are properties and settings specific to the track system. The Auto Update page gives the ability to set a time at which the system will automatically check and update itself if there is an update to be taken. To navigate to the Auto Update page, click the Admin link on the landing page. Then, click on the Auto Update tab. The Auto Update feature can be enabled by checking the checkbox. A time must be set and should occur outside of regular operation hours. Once Auto Update settings have been set, press the Save button to finish. The reports functionality of Track turns raw data into easily readable, highly formatted, presentable information. To navigate to the Reports page, click the Reports button in the second row of the landing page. In the Reports tab, you can view all standard reports by expanding the selection tree. All reports have parameters that must be entered and can be produced as an in-browser HTML, a PDF, or a CSV. In the Auto Reports tab, reports can be generated automatically on a schedule. These reports are automatically emailed at the time of day specified. Once auto reports have been set, click the Save button to finish. The Dashboard Display Selection page offers multiple dashboards to suit the needs of all restaurant operators. To navigate to the Dashboard Display page, press the Dashboard Display button in the second row of the landing page. Click on your current selected dashboard to pull up the selection of different dashboards. Additionally, a preview mode is offered by pressing the Preview Dashboard Views button. Here, a simple view of the dashboard can be seen by clicking any of the offerings.